Hi everyone, it's Aisha Ochuwa again, and I'm here to speak to you about record keeping. I mean, just like the name implies, record keeping is the act of keeping records. Now, record keeping is an important part of running a successful business because it involves the documentation and organization of both the financial and non-financial records of your business. It is important for reference sake. It can help you monitor your company's performance and also to meet up with legal obligations. Once you have records of transactions that went bad and you are correct, you could bring out your records, show to your customer, and you have won the case. What are the types of operational records? Sales reports, inventory records, production tags and logs, customer records. These are the types of operational records you should keep. The size of your business does not matter. Record keeping is as important to a sole proprietor as it is to an incorporated company. It also helps in the auditing process because the auditors will have detailed records. It reduces the time frame for the auditing and the money paid to the auditors too, because when you've done most of the work, what will they bill you for? But the auditors will start to bill your business when they have to start from scratch.